As a farmer, the hoop bender from Bootstrap Farmer has allowed me to easily construct greenhouses and caterpillar tunnels on my farm just like this. Bootstrap Farmer has hoop benders available to bend hoops at 6 foot, 10 foot, 12 foot, and even 20 foot wide. Once you have your hoop bender, simply secure it to a sturdy surface. After that, go to your local hardware store and purchase a top rail or EMT conduit to make your hoops. The hoop bender even comes with an extension pole for better leverage to make bends easier. And after a couple bends, bang, you have your hoops. These hoop benders are also great for making carports, animal shelters, and any other project that you can come up with. Get your hoop bender today at Bootstrap Farmer.